Righto, so if we have a look at my blades, they are filthy. Lots of stuff gummed up on them. Now, I use an 80 tooth blade because it gives me a nice cut, but they seem to collect shit more perhaps than a coarser blade. I've tried various different ways of cleaning, but to no avail. So today, I'm going to try something a little bit different that I found out on the internets. Which is why we're in the kitchen. I'm going to put them in my tray. This is laundry detergent. And I'm told 50-50 mix with water. It's soak for a halfer. So let's give it a crack. Right, 100 ml of this. Very good. 100 ml of water in there. Right, bit of a mixy do. And quite literally, pour it in here. Well, it looks like I made about the right amount. So we'll come back, we'll see what happens. Righto, I don't reckon it's been half an hour. I'm going to say 15 minutes, and you can just see there the amount of gunge that has taken off. I've got a little nylon brush here. Like, you can feel how soapy, or you know, the slimy from the soap, but that has, like, that's amazing. Really fast. Yeah. Well, they will get a bit of more of a scrub, both sides. Bit of a rinse. Clean up the mess that I made on the bench, and happy days. So there you go. Bit of laundry detergent, 15 to 20 minutes. Winner.